everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Nisha, a passionate calisthenics athlete. I discovered this sport during COVID times and it has completely changed my life. Back then I couldn't even do a single pull-up, but the idea of being able to control your body, build strength, endurance and balance with just body weight hooked me. Fast forward to today and I am able to do movements I once thought were impossible. So what exactly is calisthenics? In simple terms, calisthenics is a form of exercise where you use your body weight to build strength, flexibility, endurance and balance. No fancy equipment, no gym membership, just you, your body and gravity. It's one of the oldest and most natural forms of exercise, and it's all about mastering control over your movements. Now you might be wondering, why is calisthenics perfect for beginners? Let me tell you why. There is absolutely no equipment required. Whether you're at home, in a park, or traveling, you can start right away. Scalable for all fitness levels. Either you're a beginner or an advanced athlete. Calisthenics offer progressions for every move. Can't do a push-up? Start on your knees. Full body strength. Each movement engages multiple muscle groups, giving you a functional and balanced physique. Improved mobility and balance. Unlike traditional weightlifting, calisthenics incorporates flexibility and coordination, which are essential for overall fitness. And of course, it builds confidence. There's something empowering about conquering your body and watching your strength grow over time. I started my journey like many of you guys, struggling to do the most basic exercises. But trust me, if I can do this, so can you. In this series, I'll guide you step by step through the basics of calisthenics. From warm-ups and foundational moves to full workout routines. We'll keep things simple, approachable, and most importantly, fun. If that sounds like something you're ready for, so hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on the next video. And remember, fitness is a journey and not a race. Take it one step at a time. And trust me, you will be amazed at what your body can do. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.